30 SAP Basis certification questions with options and answers. Question 1. What does Basis stand for? A. Business Applies Software Internal Solution. B. Business Application Software Integrated Solution. C. Business Application Software Internal Security. D. Business Accounting Software Integrated Service. Answer B. Business Application Software Integrated Solution. Question 2. Select the invalid type of instance. A. Dialog instance. B. Central instance. C. Database instance. D. Distributed instance. Answer D. Distributed instance. Question 3. What does SDM stand for? A. Software Deployment Manager. B. Software Deployment Market. C. Software Device Manager. D. Security Deployment Manager. Answer A. Software Deployment Manager. Question 4. Transaction code to create a new client. A. SCC1. B. SCC2. C. SCC3. D. SCC4. Answer D. SCC4. Question 5. Transaction code for local client copy. A. SCCL. B. SCCM. C. SCCN. D. SCCO. Answer A. SCCL. Question 6. Transaction code to import a client. A. SCC3. B. SCC4. C. SCC5. D. SCC6. Answer C. SCC5. Question 7. Transaction code to delete a client. A. SCC4. B. SCC3. C. SCC5. D. SCC6. Answer D. SCC6. Question 8. Transaction code to lock multiple users. A. SU01. B. SU02. C. SU10. D. SU09. Answer C. SU10. Question 9. Which is an invalid standard client in SAP Basis? A. 000 client. B. 001 client. C. 066 client. D. 002 client. Answer D. 002 client. Question 10. Transaction code to export a client. A. SCC5. B. SCC6. C. SCC7. D. SCC8. Answer A. SCC5. Question 11. Transaction code for remote client copy. A. SCC7. B. SCC8. C. SCC9. D. SCC6. Answer D. SCC6. Question 12. Transaction code to view a parameter. A. RZ11. B. RZ12. C. RZ13. D. RZ14. Answer A. RZ11. Question 13. Transaction code to schedule a background job. A. SAM34. B. SAM35. C. SAM36. D. SAM37. Answer C. SAM36. Question 14. Transaction code to deschedule a background job. A. SAM34. B. SAM35. C. SAM36. D. SAM37. Answer D. SAM37. Question 15. Transaction code for multiple job deletion. A. SAM38. B. SAM37. C. SAM36. D. SAM35. Answer B. SAM37. Question 16. What does TMS stand for? A. Translation Management System. B. Transport Management System. C. Transfer Management System. D. Transport Management Security. Answer B. Transport Management System. Question 17. Transaction code to check work processes. A. SAM50. B. SAM51. C. SAM52. D. SAM53. Answer A. SAM50. Question 18. Transaction code for database statistics log. A. DB11. B. DB12. C. DB13. D. DB14. Answer A. DB11. Question 19. What does RFC stand for? A. Remain function call. B. Remote function call. C. Remind function call. D. Remove function call. Answer B. Remote function call. Question 20. What does IDOC stand for? A. Integrated document. B. Internet document. C. Internal document. D. Intermediate document. Answer D. Intermediate document. Question 21. Which transaction manages logon groups? A. SMLG. B. RZ10. C. SAM59. D. UL11. Answer A. SMLG. Question 22. What is SAP HANA? A. In-memory database. B. Reporting tool. C. Transport management system. D. Security module. Answer A. In-memory database. Question 23. Which parameter defines background job scheduling time? A. RDSP BTC time. B. Login system underscore client. C. WP underscore no underscore dia. D. Physic underscore memsys. Answer A. RDSP BTC time. Question 24. What is the purpose of JSPM? A. Java Support Package Manager. B. Job Scheduling Process Monitor. C. Journal System Performance Metric. D. Java Security Protocol Manager. Answer A. Java Support Package Manager. Question 25. Which SAP component uses ABAP? A. Application Server. B. Database Server. C. Message Server. D. Web Dispatcher. Answer A. Application Server. Question 26. What is the transport directory path? A. Usar SAP Trans. B. SAPment Trans. C. Usar SAP TMS. D. SAPment TMS. Answer A. Usar SAP Trans. Question 27. Which transaction upgrades SAP kernel? A. SAT38. B. Spam. C. Snort. D. SAM51. Answer B. Spam. Question 28. What is the maximum number of work processes per instance? A. 100. B. 500. C. 1000. D. No fixed limit. Answer D. No fixed limit. Question 29. Which client copy method uses SCCL? A. Local client copy. B. Remote client copy. C. Client export import. D. Transport request. Answer A. Local client copy. Question 30. Which work process handles database locks? A. Dialog. B. EncView. C. Update. D. Spool. Answer B. EncView.